And the countdown is on to Memorial Day weekend, but before you rev your engines, your car better be ready for the heat. Howard is here to tell us how to get our car ready to get you where you need to go. Memorial Day weekend is next week, and this morning we are learning more than 37 million Americans plan to travel 50 miles from home for the holiday weekend. AAA says that is up 60% over last year. Well, last year was a weird one. We all know that. Just 23 million people traveled in 2020, the lowest number on record since AAA started keeping track in the year 2000.
Weekend approaching, we want to know how we can outfit our cars so that when we head out of town, we've got everything we need in order to get to our destination. So joining us this morning is Howard Fleischmann. Good morning, Howard. Good to see you.
Good morning, Kylie. Good to see you.
So we know a lot of people are going to be hitting the road Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They're getting away. It's going to be hot next weekend, so maybe they're getting out of town. What do we need to keep in mind as we take those summer road trips this year?
Well, it's hard to look forward and say next week's going to be hot because of today. So everybody needs to think about that and to take a little extra precaution to prepare. I suggest you go in and have your batteries checked because it's no fun being stuck on the side of the road, or have a set of jumper cables with you or a jump box just in case. Make sure you take some goodies with you to keep everybody nourished and water, because if you get stuck on the side of the road, it's difficult, even if it's a half-hour wait for a tow truck, so on and so forth. Check your fluids, or, quite honestly, go into any NARPro shop, narpro.com, or any Tire Pros and say, give me a quick trip check. They'll be glad to do that to make sure that the vehicle's ready to go. In the years past, they used to say, hey, if you're unsure of your vehicle, rent a car. Well, because of the pandemic, a lot of the rental car agencies got rid of a lot of their cars. So cars are short and they're expensive. So now we need to get our cars ready. Go ahead, Kelly.
I hate paying for car maintenance, but you have to do it, right, if you want to be a smart car owner. The fuel levels, I know this is something that we've talked about in the years past. How often should you change your transmission fluid, and what happens if you don't, or any type of fluid?
Well, I would follow your manufacturer's recommendations. A lot of vehicles say 75 or 100,000 miles now. But if you're working with a competent shop, they can look at the condition, and there's actually tests they can give you or give the fluid and give you an accurate timing. You need to do that to keep the longevity. These new transmissions, these 10-speed transmissions, need clean fluid all the time.
So with our tires, is it good to get them rotated, perhaps, if we haven't done that in a while before the trip?
Tire rotation every 5,000 miles. Again, go to the shop, have them put it on the rack, look at the way the tires are wearing. Tire rotations are very important, keeping them balanced. And tire pressure, tire pressure, tire pressure. Remember, as you're driving, especially on these hot roads, these tires go up 1 pound for every 10 degrees. So if you start out at 60 degrees in the morning and 110 at night, your tire pressure is up quite a bit. So you need to set it to the manufacturer's recommended cold.
Some good things to keep in mind, Howard, as we take that summer road trip. I will say you've inspired me. I try to go get my tires checked every month now, because I know that's the right thing to do. At least once a month. Okay, so
Absolutely.
We should be doing that a couple times.
At least once a month.
This summer. We hope to see you soon. Have a great summer, Howard, and enjoy your Memorial Day weekend.
Hope everybody travels safe. You too. Thank you.